Leading in disruptive times may sound like a special case of leadership, but to many of you, it's just another Tuesday. For industries ranging from medical devices to automobiles, and from legal services to home security management, we've seen new entrants and new technologies, often disturbing the established order and posing serious challenges for leaders. For example, in the health diagnostics and monitoring business, the feature on Fitbit or Apple Watch providing feedback on sleep quality was an early warning. To be able to detect anomalies in heart function took the threat up a level. The as yet unknown potential to monitor blood sugars or hydration for athletes opens up new avenues for value creation by the disruptors in wearable monitors. Along with the gains for innovators and their customers comes the loss of business for those providing healthcare in traditional hospitals and doctors' offices. Whether you are a leader on the offense in this scenario, breaking new ground in wearable sensors, or a leader on the defense, bracing for radical shifts, there are certain helpful mindsets and skills that can improve your odds of success. I'm Nick Webb, and I'm excited to join you on this module on disruptive leadership. We'll focus on how leaders can anticipate disruption and take you through a number of key lessons. These lessons will help you to position your business to navigate disruptive times and continue to move ahead to create value, retain key talent, and delight future customers. Let's get started.